The Home Depot doesn't just give back, we give back with body, right? With sweat equity.
Well, Mr. Sullivan, so nice to see you. I'm Ted.
I'm Alan.
So we're with the Home Depot crew, and we're working with veterans and working on some home improvement projects. What service were you in?
I joined the Navy in 1965, right out of high school, and I retired in January of 1991. I worked as an aviation boatswain mate. We sent the planes off and we recovered the planes.
That's incredible. And what are we doing today? We're painting, we're landscaping. What else do you need us to do today?
There's some plumbing that's going to be done, and they have a surprise for me in the backyard. I don't know exactly what it is.
Oh, that's beautiful. Look at that.
Over 200 people showed up today. It's a blessing what Home Depot does for our veterans.